This is the tatasky set-top box, normal set-top box and not the tatasky HD box. And in the front side you can see the standby LED, remote LED and alert LED. It will show the status, and if you turn on the back side, you can see the power wire, card and the audio video inputs and the cable from the dish. There is also an USB port. Many people wonder what is the use of this port. So let's see what happens if we plug a pen drive in it. So the power comes to the pen drive, but nothing happens. The set-top box doesn't read anything from this pen drive, or we can't store any videos or record live TV from the set-top box. So what is the actual use? So if you have a Wi-Fi hotspot modem, then you can just plug it in this port and you can Wi-Fi enable your living room. But it must have Wi-Fi hotspot. The modem should have Wi-Fi hotspot. If it has soft Wi-Fi, it won't work. It should have Wi-Fi hotspot. This modem can connect up to 10 users at a time. It depends upon the type of modem you are using. There is also another use. You can plug your charger to your mobile phone and the mobile will start charging. These are the two uses of using this port, two uses of this port. Thank you for watching.